celebrating leaders, visionaries, and trailblazers. These are exceptionally young leaders who've managed to do things differently. They've dared to dream and then execute it. I do want to talk to you a little about the theme for this year: Future Frontiers. Vision meets impact. Train people so that they can leave. But a wiser man also said, treat people so that they do not wish to leave. And that's exactly how crucial the role of HR professionals today really is. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure as I welcome each one of you to ET Edge's 5th edition of the HR Transformation Summit 2025. The Easy Diner Foodie Awards are called the Oscars of the culinary world. To Sentinel-1 presents Cyber Superheroes, unveiling the unsung heroes of security in association with ETC. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, and you're going to say Easy Diner. And we're going to raise the bar from there. 3, 2, 1. We can do much better, Mumbai. Let's try with this side first. 3, 2, 1. Platform that empowers change makers, transforming societies through tech-driven solutions in education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability. I'm your host, Ridhima Bhatnagar. Adopting new technologies and innovations allows enterprises to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market demands and consumer needs. That education is the most powerful tool or weapon that one can have, because it gives you the power to change the world. These are words by Nelson Mandela that have so much resonance with us today, because it teaches us the importance of education.
Cash-free payments and Money Control present Emerging Commerce Summit.
Let me formally welcome each one of you to Cash-Free Payments and Money Control presents the Emerging Commerce Summit, the Surat chapter. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar and I'm so thrilled to be joining each one of you this evening. Let's celebrate retirement. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar and I'm extremely thrilled to be your host over the next 2 days. So ladies and gentlemen, today we take a moment to slow down and to regroup ourselves and come together to answer these fundamental questions. Because well-being is the core of our lifestyle going forward. Some leaders inspire us in the boardroom, some on the field. But ladies and gentlemen, there are very, very few leaders who leave an everlasting impression and an everlasting legacy in the hearts of 1 billion people of the country. With the presence of the Honorable Minister, Mr. Vivek Goenka, Chairman and Managing Director of the Indian Express Group, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, let me formally welcome and wish you all a very, very good evening. Good morning, everyone. Good to see all of you. Thank you for taking out time and joining us. Let me officially welcome each one of you to the first edition of Outlook Planet's C-Cube, Climate, Circularity and Community. This is the Summit and Awards 2025. Thank you so much for taking our time once again. This is day 2 for us and it really fills our heart to see a full house. That brands today are not just merely selling their products, but they're also cultivating relationships, curating a lot of experiences and building communities. Me and you agree that artificial intelligence is discussed in our households, dining tables, workplace conversations almost on a day-to-day basis. Welcome back, everyone. I can see the energy in the room that has suddenly shifted, and understandably so, because we do have the presence of the Honorable Minister with us. Gadkari ji, it is always such a pleasure to have you with us. So thank you so much. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar and it's been such a pleasure to be hosting you for these 3 days. So thank you so much for being with us on this journey. And the kind of conversations that have happened have been so insightful. The amount of networking that has happened and the amount of friendships that have been formed here.